Welcome back, everyone. It's time for the reveal of the single seed potato challenge 2025. Okay, so these are my potatoes, what's left of them. Still a bit of life left in them, still a bit green. But let's see what we managed to get out of these. Okay, so first we're going to start with this small one. Worm can go in the grass. Okay, so we got 2 out of that. We're up. We started with 1 potato, we've now got 2. Peanut. There you go. Some monkey nuts. Okay, I've got some crockery here I didn't want to pull out. That's a good one. That doesn't look like a potato, but that does. Okay, not doing too well. Not an awful lot. You come to help, Nelly. Find me a potato. Oh, seem to be averaging 2 or 3 per bucket. Well, got a few in this one. Come and help me, Nelly. Come on. Come and help me. A few decent sized ones. Well, that could be a potato. What do you want, chips or mash for tea tonight, Nelly? Got a walnut. I'll put that beside my other nut collection. That's not bad. There we go. That's what I've got. Now let's see how much they weigh. Well, I got 28 potatoes from one seed potato, and I'll see if I can measure it with this. Or weigh them with this. Oh, they're so heavy, Steve. I think I'm going to need to get someone to give me a hand here. Let's just reset that, and I'll try again. Okay. I'm going to show the weight to the camera, but I'm going to delete it from the end of this video. Right, that's the end of my single seed potato challenge for 2025.